Hello everyone, we are Team Cyborgs and our problem statement title is AI driven early warning system for internal and privileged user fraud. So let's start with the problem statement. Imagine a bank where the biggest threat isn't outside hackers but trusted insiders. Today bank employees have privileged access to sensitive system and customer data. While essential, this access creates a hidden risk. Traditional security systems struggle here because these users are already authorized. By the time suspicious behavior is detected, the damage is often already done. So that's where our solution steps in. We propose an AI driven early warning system that continuously monitors employee behavior across banking system. Instead of just checking access, it understands how user behave. Using behavioral analytics and machine learning, our system detects anomalies like unusual login times, abnormal data access, or unauthorized system changes. It then generates real time risk scores and alerts, enabling security teams to act instantly, not react later. All of this is brought together in a centralized dashboard, giving analysts full visibility, clear explanation behind alerts, and the power to stop insider threats before they escalate. In short, we don't just secure system, we predict threats before they happen. So let's begin with prototype. So this is our project Insight, and in dashboard, the control center and high-level executive view. This presents a real-time summary of the bank security posture. It would display aggregated metrics such as the total number of active threats, average organizational risk, and geographic or department by department. Threat map. Security team use this to instantly gauge if the organization is under active threat at a glance. Next is employee monitor, the continuous behavioral tracking engine. Since traditional system fail because these users already have authorized access, this tool monitor how they use that access. It continuously log keystroke, dynamic file access pattern, login time. Example: logging in at 3 a.m. on a weekend, and data transfer volumes. If an employee will privileged access suddenly start downloading large file volumes or customer data to an external drive, this monitor logs the behavior for the AI to access. Then is the alert panel, the triage center for security analyst and early warning. This is where the AI surfaces actionable prioritized early warning before serious damage occurs. The nine indicates there are currently nine high priority anomalies behavior detected that require human review. Instead of burying analysts in thousands of false positive logs, the AI synthesizes complex behavior into clear alerts. Example: Jane Doe, or we can delete it also, like we can dismiss them. Then there is risk profile, dynamic personalized risk scoring for individual employees. Every employee is assigned a baseline risk score based on their daily habits. The AI builds a psychological and behavior fingerprint over time. If they begin exhibiting signs of being a flight risk, example suddenly accessing project files outside their department, rapid spike is printed. Then we have AI explanation panel, which explain what they have did, like their behavior analysis is given and what action we have to take on them. So it gives the summary here. Then we have peer analytics, comparative anomaly detection. One of the hardest thing to define is normal behavior. Peer analytics solve this by grouping employees with a similar role, example all branch managers or all database admins are, and comparing an individual action against their specific group. Now then we have prediction. We can proactive threat for forecasting. While the alert panel tells you what is happening now, prediction tell you what might happen next. The AI uses historical data of past insider fraud cases to detect the breadcrumbs leading up to an event. For example, it might predict that an employee compounding abnormal behavior give them an 85% probability of attempting a data exfiltration event within the next 7 days, allowing management to pause their access prematurely. Then we have federated learning, privacy preserving AI model training. Bank have incredibly strict data privacy law like GDPR or GLBA. Federated learning allows the AI model to get transfer smarter without centralizing sensitive data. It can train it anomaly detection algorithm or localized data across different bank branches. Then we have compliances, regularity, reporting and audit trails. Monitoring employees carries a heavy compliance burden. This feature automatically generates the document needed for regularly audits. It proves to regulator that the bank has proactive measures in place to prevent data leaks. On clicking on generate, the system displays a detailed employee report. It also provides an option to download the report. The report contains an employee specific summary of their activities, behavior patterns. Within the employee monitor, specific employee can be selected to view detailed insight. By clicking on an employee, their associated alert panel is displayed, showing all detected anomalies. So thank you. This is our whole project.